Have you been trying to sell products on Amazon? Have you been trying to sell products online in general? Do you own a small business or a enterprise in which you're trying to increase your ROI? Well, this video is great for you. My name is Dedrick Jordan, and I'll be going over Amazon affiliate marketing versus fulfillment by Amazon. Thank you for tuning in to Dedrick Social Media Marketing. Let's dive right into it. Okay, so let's talk about Amazon affiliate marketing. What is it? So if you are a beginner, Amazon affiliate marketing is basically it's a marketing skill that you can use where you don't need a product. You don't need to go out there and start a product. You basically can take any product from Amazon, whether it's a low ticket product or a high ticket product, and go ahead and resell that product and market out that product and make commission off that product. Fulfillment by Amazon is basically, you have your own product, or you have a product that you keep inside the Amazon warehouse, and you keep so much units inside that warehouse, so when people go ahead and buy those units, they can go ahead and ship them out to them throughout their warehouse without you having to actually deal with the customers yourself. So Amazon do take care of that. There is like a little fee, but we'll go into detail with that. So I would like to talk about the pros and the cons. The pros of Amazon affiliate marketing, the biggest pro is you really don't have to set up a product to get started. So that is pretty cool. Once you have your products on Amazon website, you don't have to actually go out there and pay for marketing if you have customers already looking for those products. Well, there are some pros of Amazon affiliate marketing and Amazon fulfillment by Amazon. Let's go to some cons. So some cons of Amazon affiliate marketing is, you might have to pay more on your ad spend because you don't really have a product in the Amazon Seller Central. So the con for fulfillment by Amazon is you have to go ahead and actually pay for the freight cost of your units and making it over to those Amazon warehouses. It eliminates the marketing, the ad spend for fulfillment by Amazon, because you actually have products on the Amazon Seller Central, and you don't really have to market this because there's already customers that's trying to look for those products. So that's pretty cool. Those are good for enterprises. There's a lot of companies out there, they don't have not a unit by Amazon, and they're losing so much money. This video is going to help you understand, help you grasp the concept that either your small business needs, your business or enterprise needs Amazon affiliate marketing, or it needs fulfillment by Amazon. So let's go to the next step. Is Amazon really worth it? Well, let's start at the bottom. Amazon is actually $1 trillion market. So let's say if you can obtain just 0.1% of that, it's probably like $1 million. So people are going to be buying from Amazon left and right. They're going to be buying there forever. So that's one thing why it's worth it. It saves a lot of time and cost for you. The reason why it's saving time for you is because really, if you want to get started today as an Amazon affiliate, all you really have to do is go sign up for an Amazon Associates account, find a product, and go ahead and market it right now at this time. There's products, low ticket products, high ticket products, doing thousands of units. It's because millions of people shop at Amazon, and right now this is the greatest time in America to actually go ahead and start selling products on Amazon for you, because honestly, this right here can only make you feel more safe and secure, because I'm actually letting you know that these are the steps you need to take, and these are the options you have: either Amazon affiliate marketing or either fulfillment by Amazon. So can you start right away? Well, of course you can start right away, and that's the reason why I'm making this video. Either you're a small business and you don't have your products on Amazon yet, or you have an enterprise and you just simply want to boost your ROI. This is a great tool right here. And selling the ebook through a friend, and this ebook it was sold at $50, but right now she's giving like a 65% discount on this product. And right now I just wanted to actually show you and help you feel more safe and secure, because by now, if you're not feeling Amazon, I don't know, because that's where the online marketing world is going to. It's either KDP on Amazon, which is Kindle Publishing, which is raking it right now. And then you have Amazon affiliate marketing. You have millions of people becoming millionaires. And then you have Fulfillment by Amazon, which is the enterprise companies that's actually getting freight or putting their units on freight and getting them sent to those Amazon warehouses. And just to let you know that now is the best time for you to start your Amazon affiliate marketing business or start your Fulfillment by Amazon business. Because by now, if you don't go ahead and take action on one of the following, either Amazon affiliate marketing or Fulfillment by Amazon, and check out the ebook, go ahead and look at that ebook. If you like to download it, it's definitely worth it for your business, because it's not going to only boost your ROI, but it's going to give you an understanding how to increase the leads in your company and how to actually go ahead and keep those units in stock in other different seller platforms. Again, my name is Dedrick Jordan. This is Dedrick Social Media Marketing, and thank you for watching this video.